This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Welcome to the Wedgewood Lake located in the Meadows.This Lakeview condo. Features 2-bedroom, 2-bath, dining and family room combo, inside laundry which is A+. The condo has an open wide views of the lakes and golf course fairways. The end unit provides a better view and breezes. Come and explore what the Meadows has to offer. Close to UTC Mall, hospital, restaurants and our famous Siesta Key. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.